First, I'll show you how to roll makizushi. Place a nori sheet on a bamboo sushi mat and scoop some slightly cooled down rice seasoned with rice vinegar, sugar, and a pinch of salt on top. Spread it out evenly with the rice scoop. The filling is a slightly grilled Korean fish cake sheet, a long strip of omelette, and some canned tuna mixed with mayonnaise. Cut the makizushi in half first. Once in a while, you can wash the blade of the knife with some water with a little bit of vinegar in it to make it less sticky. If you don't mind thicker slices of sushi rolls, you can cut 3 rolls out of 1/2. Now I'll make another makizushi with a different filling. The filling is a slightly grilled Korean fish cake sheet, a long strip of omelette, some fresh salmon slices which were left over from the sashimi we had, and finally a strip of pickled cucumber. If you want thinner slices of sushi rolls, you can cut a half in 4 rolls too. so pretty ends will not be served, so you can just eat them immediately. Next, we'll make the cute onigiri rice balls that you can already see a glimpse of on this plate. Mix the rice seasoning through the sushi rice. I used two different ones, and this is a Japanese one with a seaweed flavor. This Korean rice seasoning has a seaweed flavor with tiny dried anchovies and shrimp in it. Place a sheet of cling film over the onigiri box. Fill both sides with one of the seasoned rice. As filling, I used 2 small pieces of fish cake sheets and tuna mayonnaise in between. I could have gotten a real onigiri mold, but I thought this onigiri box was more multifunctional. I could use it as a mold, and also to keep an onigiri in my bag without it getting squished. The cling film also makes it easy to eat without having to wash my hands. However, you still need to press it in a triangular shape to make it more firm. Do the same with the other flavor of seasoned rice. I also used the seasoned rice for this mini onigiri mold with heart, triangle, flower, and star shapes. Beforehand, I already pressed out the shapes on a fish cake sheet with the bottom of the mold. Use decorative cocktail sticks to hold the two loose parts together.